All right, this is going to be a quick demo of my quote builder app based off this Google Sheet of my customers and my products. I also have an orders and order details tab. I have my prompt written up in this text document. I copy pasted the tabs and the columns, indicated that each tab has a header row, and I'm just telling it to create a quote builder. I want to select the customer and add the items by searching by the SKU or by the title. And at the bottom here, I have a link or a copy of my Google Sheet, which is just from the URL. Sheet ID, that is. Okay, let's jump into Deplyr. Let's hit create new app with AI. Let's give it a name and a description. And then I can set the access level. With Deplyr, you have the ability to share within your company or organization with your team. Let's go ahead and paste in the prompt I had here and hit create. And this, we'll want to give it a moment to come up with a plan. And just after a few moments, it will set up the app for us. Okay, so now we immediately see a preview in the preview window of what the app looks like. Let's go ahead and click Visit App and see if it works. So we immediately notice it's not actually pulling the customers. So let's flip back over to Deplyr. Let's take a look at the back end to see if it's actually using the sheet ID. It's not, it's just using a reference to the sheet ID. So I'm going to go back over here, copy the sheet ID, go to the data tab, and then I can use the KV store to save this as a variable. Now this is immediately available to the app. So let's go ahead and flip back over to the app, hit refresh. And it looks like now it's loading the customers, and let's give it a try. Select a customer, let's select a product. Let's hit add item, set a quantity. Let's add another item. Oh, there we go. And then let's hit save quote and then verify that it made it over to the sheet. Yep, there it is. And here are the quote details. Okay, let's make a little change. I want to have this add item button be located at the top of the table and not underneath. So let's go ahead and type that into the prompt here and have it make the change for us. Let's give it a moment to apply the change. Okay, so now the add item button is there on the right side of the drop down. Let's hit save. And as soon as I hit save, the changes are live.